Have an FSK file from vintage Atari 8-bit computer game preservation? This is a cassette tape image used for emulating original Atari home computer software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through these Atari 8-bit cassette image files. Avoid future frustration. Download a dedicated, non-proprietary file viewer. These tools are masters at ignoring small FSK errors. Take a shortcut and download now. FSK files are cassette tape image files representing the contents of original Atari 8-bit computer cassettes. They store the audio frequency, shift keying signals used to encode programs and data on cassette tapes for Atari 400, 800XL, and XC computers used in retro computing and software preservation. FSK files use a format storing the FSK frequency shift keying audio data that the Atari cassette interface used to read programs from tape. The format preserves the original audio encoding, enabling accurate reproduction of the cassette tape contents in Atari emulators or specialized hardware interfaces. SourceForge maintains the integrity of the FSK specification through A8 Windows cannot reliably map the file's internal data paths for extraction. Windows cannot interpret most of this content, so dedicated game tools or the game itself are required. The first step is testing the ecosystem. Right-click your FSK file and click Open With. If A8 is available, start with that. If not, don't hesitate to test every other option in the list. The primary software didn't cooperate. That's fine. We pivot. I need you to execute these 3 focused steps to pinpoint the exact FSK error. First, loading in Atari Emulator. Install an Atari 8-bit emulator like Altera or Atari 800 on your computer. Launch the emulator and use the cassette loader function to load the FSK file. The emulator simulates the original Atari cassette interface, reading the FSK data, and loading the program into the emulated computer's memory. Next, converting to other formats. Convert FSK files to alternative Atari formats, like CAS or ATR using emulator-included tools or community converters. The converted formats may load faster in emulators or provide better compatibility with specific Atari software. Tools like A8 provide cassette format conversion utilities for Atari preservation. Finally, real hardware loading. Use specialized hardware interfaces like SIO2PC or Atari 1010 emulator devices to load FSK files on real Atari hardware. Connect modern computers to original Atari systems through these interfaces, enabling FSK image loading without original cassette tapes for authentic vintage computing experiences. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.